In this video, we'll break down the differences between Samsung Wallet and Google Wallet, so you can decide which one fits your needs better. What is Google Wallet? Google Wallet is a digital wallet that stores your payment cards, loyalty cards, transit passes, and tickets in one place. It works on most Android phones and even on iPhones, although features are more limited there. You can use it for contactless payments in stores, online, and in apps. What is Samsung Wallet? Samsung Wallet combines multiple Samsung services into one app. It includes Samsung Pay for payments, Samsung Pass for secure password storage, and support for loyalty cards, digital IDs, boarding passes, and even car keys on compatible devices. Samsung Wallet supports both NFC and, on some older Galaxy devices, MST, magnetic secure transmission, allowing it to work at more payment terminals. How to use them. With Google Wallet, open the app, add your payment cards, and tap to pay in stores, online, or in apps. With Samsung Wallet, add your cards, IDs, or passes, and use your phone or Galaxy Watch to make payments or access services. Samsung Wallet versus Google Wallet. Security comparison. Both wallets provide strong security features. Google Wallet uses encryption, tokenization, and Google's global security infrastructure. Samsung Wallet uses Samsung Knox, along with biometric authentication, like fingerprint or iris scan, and encryption for sensitive data. Device compatibility and availability. Google Wallet is available in more than 60 countries and works across a wide range of devices. Samsung Wallet is limited to Samsung devices, but continues to expand features like digital IDs and regional availability. Which one should you choose? If you use a Samsung Galaxy device and prefer deeper integration with Samsung services, Samsung Wallet may be the better option. If you want a wallet that works across multiple devices and platforms, Google Wallet is more versatile. To check more details, check out our full post, link in the description. Both Samsung Wallet and Google Wallet offer secure, reliable, and convenient ways to pay and store digital essentials. Which one do you use? Share your experience in the comments below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech explainers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.